what we see right now is that Siddharth Shukla's post-mortem is on inside the Kokor hospital. We just saw right now Ashok Pandit going inside. He's well known in the circles, in the entertainment circle, and we'd seen that he's just entered inside, so we get more updates from him. But as of now, what we're seeing is Mumbai police has issued a statement wherein they clearly said that there were no injuries which were sustained to Siddharth Shukla. In fact, his cause of death is yet to be ascertained, and the police team is already inside Shukla's residence where they are investigating the case. So now, in that context, while the postmortem is still on, police is still understanding by investigating as to what really is inside. We've already known from the hospital authorities that approximately 3-member team is inside where they are conducting the postmortem, and in that context, what we understand is once the postmortem is done, say approximately around 3 or 4 p.m. is when we'll get to know further details as to what was his cause of death, because preliminary it was found out that he was brought to the hospital at around 10:30 this morning, wherein he was declared dead by a particular doctor over here. There is a team of 3 doctors which is conducting the post-mortem, and right inside what you see right now is that there is a tight police bandobast at the hospital gate wherein no one is allowed inside and entry allowed inside, because as far as what we understand, there is a lot of VIP movement that will take place, considering we've known that Siddharth Shukla was close-knit in particularly the TV circles. He had gained fame particularly because of his serials wherein he had acted in Balika Vadhu, which was quite a famous soap at that time on the Hindi TV industry, after which he had also worked in the Big Boss, and we'd seen a lot of his close colleagues had come out and spoken and shared their experience and what their memories of Siddharth Shukla particularly were, because right now, right here, what we see is there's a tight bandobast, and we'd wait more updates from the police as well as the hospital authorities. Yes.
Yes, so far of what we know, the cause of death is yet to be ascertained by the authorities. Meanwhile, a 3-member police team is conducting the postmortem, and Oshiwara police team has also reached Siddharth Shukla's residence. Yasha, thank you for bearing us those details.